Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view one's message recovery trick without screenshot. So you know that if somebody send you a message like this, one's photo, and after you view this will be gone. So in the latest update, you cannot take the screenshot as well, or you cannot do the screen recording as well. So let's say you just view this message and now you want to view this again, or you want to send somebody. So how you can do this? So what you can do is tap on these three dots and go for settings, and then go for this chats, and you have to go for this chat backup, and now just tap on this backup. So you don't have to add any email ID, just go for the backup. So you don't have to add your Gmail, and you just have to make sure that this toggle is on, include video toggle is on. And when you are done with backup, you can go back and you can just tap on this to open your photo. And now when you close your photo, as you can see, our photo is gone. You can't see it again. But if you want to see him again and you want to let's say send somebody, what you can do is just simply go to your app info and you just have to clear the data. So go to this storage and tap on this clear data, and then you have to log into your WhatsApp account, and then you have to log into your WhatsApp account giving your number, and you will find restore option. So just make sure to restore, and after restoring, when you come for this chat, you can see your photo is still there. So you can repeat the same process as many times you want. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.